So YouTube, it's me Tony. I'm going to do a little challenge video again today with my friend Paul, who used to be in a band with me, the Moonlight Cowboys. Today's challenge is the A to Z Countries Challenge. It's basically a game where it goes back and forward, one person to the next, and you have to name a country beginning with a letter, and then the next person has to name a country beginning with the same letter. Basically, it's just a silly little game, but it might be good fun, so yeah, let's see how we go on. A. Country beginning with A. Austria.
Australia.
Bolivia.
Belgium.
Colombia.
Chile.
Uzbekistan.
We'll give you that one, but Denmark.
Estonia.
England.
France.
France. Fiji.
Ghana.
Germany.
Holland.
Honduras.
Iceland.
Iraq.
H-I. Do you know one?
10. 9.
Jai. Country began with Jai. Think, Tony. Think. Johannesburg.
It's a city
I
in
know.
South Africa.
I know it's a city. I can't think, yeah.
It's up to you if you want to concede, then I can go ahead and name one. 10.
I concede. I can't think of a country beginning with Jai.
Jamaica!
Jamaica!
Jamaica bobsleigh team!
That was the A to Z Country Challenge. I hope you enjoyed that. Paul won that one again, just like he won the football challenge we did a couple of nights ago. Thanks for watching. Anybody that hasn't checked out my channel before, my name's Tony. I'm a poet from Glasgow, Scotland. I'm talking quick because I've only about 10 seconds left on my video recorder. Thanks for watching, and I'll possibly see you again soon sometime. Bye. Peace.
Jamaica!
Jamaica!